Welcome to AI Millionaire movement. In today's rapidly evolving tech world, businesses are scrambling to integrate artificial intelligence into their operations. The demand for AI integration services is booming, and if you position yourself right, you can turn this into a profitable business. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can provide AI integration services for profit, even if you're not a software engineer. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or just someone exploring new income streams, this guide is your roadmap to building a high-demand AI service business. If you find this video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you'll be the first to get the latest AI strategies and insights. Let's dive in. What are AI integration services? AI integration services involve helping businesses implement AI tools, software, and automation into their existing operations. This might include integrating customer support chatbots, automating repetitive tasks using tools like Zapier or Make, using AI for data analysis, or embedding generative AI features into websites or applications. The key point is, most small to mid-sized businesses don't know where to start. They're aware of AI, but they don't know how to use it. That's where you come in as an AI integration specialist. You're not just offering technical skills, you're offering clarity, strategy, and solutions. Step 1. Identify profitable niches and business use cases. Before you start offering services, focus on a niche. Generalists get ignored. Specialists get hired. Here are a few hot niches that are actively looking for AI solutions: e-commerce, automating customer service, inventory predictions, and product descriptions. Real estate, using AI for lead generation and client communication. Healthcare, automating appointment scheduling and medical documentation. Law firms, AI for legal research and summarizing case files. Marketing agencies, content generation, campaign analytics, and SEO tools. Once you choose a niche, study the most common problems they face. Then align your AI solutions to fix those issues. Clients pay for outcomes, not tech jargon. Step 2. Learn no-code AI tools and integration platforms. You don't need to be a coder to offer AI services. The rise of no-code tools makes this business accessible to almost anyone willing to learn. Here are must-know tools: Zapier and Make. Integromat, automate workflows between apps. OpenAI and ChatGPT API. Integrate conversational AI into apps or websites. Retool or Bubble.io. Build AI-powered internal tools. AutoGPT or Agent GPT. Create autonomous AI agents for complex task automation. Spend a week learning how these platforms work. There are free tutorials on YouTube, Udemy, and even the platform's official docs. Once you're comfortable, you can start offering integration services. Step 3. Build AI solutions packages. The smartest way to sell services is through packaged offers. Packages are easier to price, scale, and promote. Here's how to structure your packages. Basic AI setup: integrate a chatbot, automate basic workflows. Advanced workflow automation: custom multi-step automations using tools like Zapier or Make. Full AI transformation: combine chatbots, automations, and AI-powered dashboards for deep integration. Set clear deliverables, timeframes, and benefits for each. Clients love knowing exactly what they're getting. Price your packages based on value, not just time. For example, if your automation saves a business 20 hours a month, that's potentially thousands of dollars in value. Step 4. Attract clients using a lean marketing funnel. You don't need a fancy agency website to get clients. Start simple. 1. LinkedIn and Twitter. Post content showing before, after results of AI integrations, or make short case studies. 2. Cold outreach. Find businesses on LinkedIn or Google Maps and send personalized emails offering a quick 15-minute audit. 3. Fiverr and Upwork. Offer AI automation gigs. Use SEO keywords like AI chatbot setup, Zapier automation, or AI workflow consultant. 4. YouTube and TikTok Shorts. Share simple AI hacks for businesses, then funnel viewers to book a free consult. Offer a free 15-minute AI audit as a lead magnet. This helps businesses understand their problems, and it positions you as the trusted expert to solve them. Step 5. Leverage AI to deliver your own service. Here's where it gets powerful. You can use AI tools to run your AI business. Use ChatGPT or Claude AI to draft email templates, proposals, and documentation. Use Notion AI or ClickUp to organize projects and automate client updates. Use Loom to record walkthrough videos for clients instead of meetings. Use Canva plus AI image generators to brand your service packages and marketing materials. You'll not only save time but impress clients with the speed and clarity of your service. Step 6. Scale with subcontractors or white label tools. Once you're getting consistent clients, it's time to scale. You can't do everything yourself. Here are 2 simple ways to scale. 1. Hire virtual assistants or junior integrators, train them on your processes. 2. White label SaaS tools. Some AI platforms offer white label versions, so you can rebrand and resell them as your own. You're no longer trading time for money, you're building a system that runs with or without you. AI integration is the gold rush of the decade. We're at the beginning of an AI revolution. Every business will need to adopt AI in some way, but most don't know how. That's your opportunity. By offering AI integration services, you're not just building a business, you're helping others transform theirs. Start small. Choose a niche. Learn the tools. Solve real problems. And build a brand that gets known for delivering fast, effective AI solutions. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Millionaire Movement. Share this video with someone who's looking to build a future-proof online business. Until next time, keep learning, keep automating, and keep building your AI empire.